Tabi. Good day, everyone. So we're here presenting the TP03. So I'm Giselle Rangas, and we will presenting the TP03. And we deeply apologize that one of our members is drop out is Kenneth Abesha, and because of family problem. So right now we're going to continue even though we're only two of our members. So but right now, so we're gonna solve this problem. The first thing is here. Okay, so the problem one with solution. For this problem, I need you to analyze, perform, and discuss the code I provided below. I need you to do following during the Google Meet session. Debug if there's are errors encountered. Identify what game is trying to recreate using Python. Discuss the purpose of the code. So um, here the things. There's a lot of changes I've been put here, guys. So the first that saw here is there's a syntax and formatting issue, including misplaced quotation, um, misplaced quotation marks, and incorrect index access. So I'm been changed here. I've been already provide the code here. This is the fixed code that I've been put. So um, this the error of this one is the syntax and formatting issue, including misspelled quotation marks and incorrect index. So um, wait, wait. Okay. There's a lot of I've been changed here because of the syntax error of this display board, and the syntax and formatting issue, including misplaced quotation and marks and correct index. Then I already changed here those mistake that uh, put. So I been try to fix it. So here's the I provide this code that already fixed. So I been changed the formatting issue in the this board 7 and 8 and 9 4 5 6 and 1 2 3. So this one is will be putting here as as we I change here the quotation here, this one. If you can notice, guys, and see the difference. So the quotation here I've been put inside. So here I put here inside, guys. So here, so it need to proper because Python is really sensitive, and also those code that I provide is need to fix it. So the taste board, this board is, it's like the purpose of this is to the purpose of test board is to initializing the board for testing errors, like for testing, and then the errors in improper initialization and usage. So the initialization of proper way is we're making the x of 0, I know, I think x and o 0, x and o. So the the oh, so the proper initialization and usage. So I've been put the usage here, the proper initialization, and then player input. So what is the meaning of what is the purpose of player input? So the purpose of player input is to prompt the players to choose their marks to X or O. Like the user will be choose those what they want to side. So X or O. So I don't know, is it zero or O? Is what is it? Is I think O O. So and then those error here, and the error here is the syntax errors and incorrect handling of correct input. um this one, corrected codes. So yes, as you can see here, zero input X. So the player input, so there's a this is I change here a lot, guys, that I need to handling these errors and correct handling of marker input. And then the next one is definition place marker. So what was the purpose of the placemaker, guys? So the purpose of placemaker is to place a player marker on the board on the specified position. And um, the place marker here said, the place marker, board position, and marker. So what is the error of it? The error of it is syntax errors and spacing issue. It because if you know, guys, the Python is really sensitive, and it need to carefully putting the spacing and other etc. And as is it the syntax error, and this one I change. And of course the the next one is the definition of the win check. So what is the purpose of the win check? The purpose of the win check is to check if the given marker has achieved on a winning combination on the board. It will be having some if the check if the given marker has achieved a winning combination of the board. So this one, so here in this then also the error of this is incorrect and overly complex logic with misplaced condition. So we really need to place our condition correctly, and also the misplaced condition and complex logic here. And the board, we just change little changes for it, guys, so it will be really clean and smooth. And the choose first. So what is choose first? The definition of choose first is to randomly select which players goes first. If those user want to choose, because in the tiptoe, it's really need to choose those player which side he want to put in the board. So it's really need this definition of the choose first. So it's randomly select which player goes first. Okay, and then this problem that given here is that choose first is where is it? Okay, player choose this one. Wait, choose. Okay, this one choose first, and the errors of it is the typo of import statement and incorrect functional logic. So there's will be a functional logic that we've been put. So it's really important, guys, that it's really the to check uh, the type of import statement. So it's really important to check the import statement and incorrect function logic. Then the next thing is space check. So space check is a board position, return the board position. What is the purpose of the space check, guys? So the purpose of the space check is to check if a specified position on the board is available, or as empty. Again, to check if a specified position on the board is available. Okay, as we said, guys, so if um, as we playing, so it really have the board, and then to specify the position board is able to in empty. And the error of it is this one. The error of it is incorrect lodging for speaking space. So it's really, as I said, Python is really sensitive to checking space. And the next one is the full board check. So what is the purpose of the full board check? So the purpose of the full board check is to check if the board is completely filled. So that's guys, it's really important, guys, to put our what's that, the board is completely filled. So there's no one gonna play of that game if there is no if the board is not completely filled there, right? So, and as I see here, the um uh space check and correct loop and return logic. So that's was the problem of it, the incorrect board and loop and return logic, and correct loop and incorrect and return logic. And then the next one is player choose. Okay, um there's a player will be choose to the board, right? So the first one is 0, because the position of this one is a position of 0, while position not in is the index of 1 and to 9, or not space check board position in input, choose your next position. So it will be directly asking if I will already put our um we're going to what our board, I mean what we're going to put our the tiptoe that we're playing the sides. So and then the player choice. Okay, the player choice. So what is the purpose of player choice? To prompt the player to choose their next position to ensure its valid move. So to, the purpose of it, the place choice is to prompt the player to choose their next position and ensure it's a valid move. So as we playing a tip, so it's really important that we have a valid move that we put. So it's really important this player choice, that the definition of the player choice. And what the wrong was here is the wrong here is player choice is the syntax error. So there will be a syntax error for this code. So this one is fixed. I already fixed it, guys. So to ask if the players want to play another in read, or I know player choice syntax is incorrect, logic player choice. So and then replay. So what is replay? Definition of replay. So definition of replay is the purpose of the replay is to ask if the players want to play another game and return a boolean value. So um, if the user if the user is they already done with the game, they're already complete, is the person is win the game, and it will be asking the replay of or asking if they will still want to play this one, the return input. Do you want to play again? Enter yes or no. So, what is the purpose of replay? The purpose of replay is to ask if the players want to play another game and return to a Boolean and a Boolean value. And what I see here is um, the mistake here, guys, is the syntax error. This one, the syntax error that we put, syntax error. Uh, if replay. I know. There is no error of this. It's it's actually good, guys. So okay, we're going to proceed for the next. Okay. Um. Okay. What was it, the next one? Okay. The next one is the main game loop. So the purpose of it is con- controls the flow of the game, including resetting the board, deciding which player goes first, in handling the turns, checking for a win or a draw, and asking if the players want to replay the game. And the syntax, the error is a syntax error is a logical issue. So as I provide those code here that I've been changes, so there's something that need to fix. So I've been already changed those fix those problems. This is the code that I provide. So this completes the corrected code with the explanation for each function in the main game loop. Each part of this code is essential for functioning of tic-tac-toe game, and the correction ensure the games run smoothly without syntax and logical error. So as you understand those um, the error and also definition, and right now we're going to try to run this. Of course we need to run this code if is working or not. So okay, we're going to try to play. Oops. Okay, so the player one, the asking of player one, so do you want to be X or O? So what guys you gonna choose, guys? Hear me out. Okay, nothing. So, so I guess we're gonna choose this X because X is really mean, guys, right? Yay. Okay, so we're gonna try X. So the player two will go first. Okay, are you ready to play? Enter yes or no. Yes, of course we're ready to play, guys. So we're gonna put yes here. Okay, this is the board that we've been putting in um this this display board. So we have a board that we put, right, and this index here. Okay, the board here and etc. So we're gonna choose our next position. So I'm choosing the X, right? So the choose your next position. I push next position is 1. So 0 O. So choose your next position and 9. So X, and the next number is 5. Okay, and the next number is um 2, and the next number is 7. Oops, 7, and the next number is 6. Okay, the next number is 3. Okay, the player 2 has won. Do you want to play again? What if I say no, guys? So what is gonna say? What is gonna say if we I don't know. We just try to make it. draw. Yes. Yes, I will. Do you want to be X? Yes. Okay, are you to play? Yes. Okay, we're going to try to draw this one. What is the next? 2. Next is 2. X. Um, next number is 3. And the next number is 4. So there's a 4. I think X, guys. 4. Okay. The next number is 5. So the next number is 6. And the next number is number 7. So we need to be careful of it, guys. So we need to check it. So after that, the 9, what is the 9? So 0x. No, we cannot choose 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, so we're gonna choose 7. Okay, and then after that is 9. Oh, yeah, it's good, guys. And then we're gonna try no, because we're not gonna play anymore because we're tired playing, guys. Okay, this is it, guys. This the game works um properly. So as we try, I really want to try this. The game is draw, but how it gonna try it works? Zero O X O X O X. I think it's not, guys. Hmm. It is really hard, guys, to try it. So I think that's it, and we're gonna move on for the next topic because of the problem two, and then Tan will be continue to present the problem number two. Your next, not.
So thank you, Gusrel. Um, so I'll be I'll be doing or I'll be performing the problem number two, which is the let's I'll show you the problem number two. So let's try to analyze it first. So create a program that secretly generates a random number. Player will try to guess the number by providing their guess to user input. The player will only have three tries or guesses to win the game. The program will guide them with hints like higher or lower depending on their guess compared to the secret number. If the player will lose, the game will play the game again. You may add features that will make the game more interactive. So in problem two, we're creating a game that um, generates a random number. So we'll try to guess at the secret number. So without further ado, let's start. First, we try to open our Jupyter and let's create a import random. So let's create a function. So def it's called play play game though, and secret number is equal to. So Rand rand int is the function that generates a random number. So random int. So from 1 to 100 only. So this will generate a number from a random number from 1 to 100. So and we have only 3 attempts, and let's try to print a line that says print uh, welcome to guess the number in. So and let's create a line that says the chosen sorry, spelling chosen number is between 1 to 100. 1 to 100, you have only 3 attempts. Yes. So, attempts. Um, Next, let's create a while loop. While attempt is greater than 0, guess in. So let's create an input box. So input um, so the next line enter your guess. And next is let's create in else statement, if else statement. So if guess is equal to secret number, if the player will guess automatically the number, um, it says that print congratulations, you guess the secret, secret number. I guess the secret number. And let's call the secret number here. Spelling, spelling pala. Sorry. So let's break. And then next is let's create an L if guess is less than the selected or the secret number. It says print the number secret number is lower than your guess. Lower than your guess. So if the secret number is lower than your guess, it says the line that the secret number is lower than your guess. So if naman else kung mataas naman, ay sorry, if your guess is less than secret number, ay parang mali. So higher dapat to. So higher, and then next is lower. Yan. So next is attempt is less than or equal to 1. Create tayo ng if else attempt is less than 0, I greater than 0, print you you have else print naman yung kung ubos na yung attempt natin is mag-print siya ng line na sorry, um, you you've run out of time. The secret number the secret number was secret number. So secret number, and then oh my god, I think hold on to the spacing. Stop. Let's go on this arrange muna, and then play. Let's create a variable that play again. Kung gusto pang maglaro yung player is equal to input box na nagsasabing do you want to play again? Do you want to play again? Yes or no lang. Yes. Ayun. So create tayo ng if naman dito. So, if play again is equal to play again that lower case equal to yes. Yes, play game. Else naman, print thank you for playing. Um, okay. So let's try to run it. So is this?
I-copy paste
So
balik
let's try
din.
to copy and delete it first. So this cell has not been executed. The void kernel.
Ikuan,
So
i-X na lang.
open.
Ikuan na true.
So let's try to open it again. Open. Let's try to open another file. So select and here our code. So let's try to run it. Let's see. Oh, the L invalid. So I sorry. So here else. Where's the else? Oh, sorry. Okay, let's try to guess. Welcome to guess the number game. Choosing number is between 1 to 100. You only have 3 attempts to guess it. So let's try to guess it. So 50. So the number is lower than your guess. Oh, I think there's an error here. So higher than your guess. Only have attempts remaining. So friend. So tama ba to? At, so here. Mali pala yung spelling. So let's try it. So again, so 50. The secret number is lower than your guess. You only have 2 attempts remaining. So, the secret number is lower than your guess. So, it means that
Ito ka ginaklase mo.
the secret number is lower than 50. So, let's try 30. It's lower than your guess. So, it's lower than 30. So, let's say 15.
Pa-TV
Oh,
yan
let's
ka,
do
pa-TV yan.
6. Okay. So, do you want to play again? Yes or no? So, if no, then thank you for playing. So, that's it. That's the problem number 2. And it ran properly. So, thank you.
Ano to?